In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and all its new specifications. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. If you guys would like to read this article on your own time, I'll leave the link in the description down below. However, there is something new about the Galaxy A16 5G, and there is some good news. There may be some bad news as well. So of course the headline gives it away. It says the first cheap Samsung phone to get 6 years of Android updates is here. So it looks like we're getting 6 years of operating system updates. It says Samsung has officially listed the Galaxy A16 5G on its Dutch website, Android Planet. The budget smartphone is the first Samsung device in its category to promise 6 generations of Android updates and 6 years of security patches. That means if you buy the Galaxy A16 5G, you can expect updates till October 2030. So truly, Samsung is the king of software updates, especially in the budget region. However, I don't think most people are going to hold on to this phone for 6 years, especially since you guys are going to hear about the processor in a second. Currently, no $200 smartphone can boast of such long-term software updates. The Galaxy A16 5G is the first. Although Samsung hasn't disclosed the price of the phone yet, we expect it to be the same range as the Galaxy A15 5G, which is priced at $199. It looks like other leaks about the Galaxy A16 5G were also accurate. The phone features an octa-core processor, and while Samsung never really mentions processor names in its official specs list, it is believed that the Galaxy A16 5G houses the Exynos 1330 chip. And I'm hoping that this is not going to be the case, since we did see that chipset on the Galaxy A14 5G, which is a phone from 2 years ago now. Hopefully this isn't the case, and if it is, we're going to test it out and see how it works. But wow, was definitely expecting something different. It also says the Galaxy A16 5G's front features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 2340 by 1080p FHD plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. You get 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of expandable storage up to 1.5 terabytes. However, you won't be able to add 2 SIM cards to the phone if you plan on using a micro SD card. The package is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, which should be more than enough to get you through the day. You also get 25-watt charging on this device as well, which is great to see. As for photography, the Galaxy A16 5G packs a 50 megapixel main camera plus a 5 megapixel ultra wide plus a 2 megapixel macro setup on the back. It's as basic as it gets, so don't expect any optical image stabilization or fancy zoom capabilities. There's also a 13 megapixel shooter on the front for selfies. The Galaxy A16 5G also gets an IP54 rating for basic dust and water resistance. An IP54 rating is also the first of its kind for a budget Samsung phone as well. So that's good to see on here. And as far as like what we've been seeing on the budget Samsung devices, the Galaxy A15 was a huge jump from the Galaxy A14. So I think the camera is definitely going to be better as far as the quality and optimization. So hopefully the video and stabilization and all that other stuff is bumped up a little bit. They have been doing a really good job, and that leap from the A14 to the A15 was tremendous. So hopefully they keep that tradition going and the A16 looks better than the A15. And as far as the price and availability, it says Samsung hasn't listed the Galaxy A16 5G in the US yet. The company's Dutch website also doesn't give away price. It looks like Samsung jumped the gun a bit here and listed the phone sooner than it was supposed to do so. And we'll have to wait and see how much the phone will ultimately cost, although we don't expect it to exceed $250. And with those specifications so close to the Galaxy A15 5G, I'm sure it's not going to exceed $200. If it is, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Get the Galaxy A15. But yeah, guys, are you excited for the Galaxy A16 5G? I'm hoping that they keep that $199 price tag. I'm also hoping that they don't use the 1330 from Exynos, and if they do, I'm hoping that it's optimized well, and I hope it's not more than $200. But if you guys have any more hopes or wants, let me know them in the comment section down below. If you did enjoy this video, definitely drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.